everybody, I'm in my van with a non-functional water pump. You see it's just not pumping it very good. So what I have here is a new one right there. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. Let's see what we've got in here. Make sure we have all the pieces and parts we need. So this is it here. So here's our different valves and filters and whatnot to connect it up. It's gonna be super simple. And here is the pump. Look at that. So it's going to just mount down. I think I have a little mounting plate down there. I'm gonna strap it in there, plug it in. The water will go in here and out here, and that's it. So it's gonna connect up. If I can open this up, it's just threaded, you see. Right, unscrew it or something. It's hard to do with one hand. You see, it'll just screw on to there. I just have screw valves, so it'll just screw on and screw on. And then these are a special 12-volt diaphragm pump, so it'll just plug right into where my 12-volt is, and that'll give me my pumping back. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up and see how it does. This is the old pump. You can see it just goes sounded the same way, just stopped working. But this one here will now be the new one, so it'll just plug into where the old one went. So I'll be taking that out. And we have it on now. You can kind of hear it. It's going, making a little bit of noise as it's filling up the pressure. This is the first time I've done it, so we'll see how it does. And there we go. We have water. Check it out. I think there was air in the line, so that's why it was kept trying to turn on again. But there we go. Now we have water again. How cool is that? Very cool. Good pressure. Thumbs up.